Alright guys, I have limited stuff working with right now, but so I'm gonna cut him up right now. I don't know if I'm gonna fry it, stew, whatever, curry. Is that the biggest knife you have? Is that the biggest knife?
No,
you know, really don't do it, just show it a little. Carry cutting board when you come. Might just fry peas and curry peas. Alright, peas are cooked.
Look here. Let me try it.
Watch your way.
It's raw. So, I don't know if I put
No,
I don't know if I put nothing at all. Actually, underneath some. Guys, they say how much Sylvester $3,000 for one bag of pepper. Well, cayenne and
pepper.
yes. This is gonna be fried chicken. And some Tone's brother chicken. Yeah, chicken winner seasoning. With garlic and onion powder. I saw you hot. No, man.
Heat the power of everything. Oh my god. It's time too hot. Yeah, use one pack of this.
If you have a fresh coconut, I don't need this.
Okay.
But just say true. They say I want big grate you have, but I don't mind using.
Man, if you want to go to represent, I say I feel good. Okay, buddy.
Chocolate. You have the one, much you want with the chocolate.
You
have that, the one let me give you chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're nice.
Oh, I think that's it. This is washing. So this is washing. The one when I still get washing.
See, I know what is okay.
Time to grate up. No, we never bring it. You can put it there, so, but we're going to have enough light for later.
You don't turn off, it's not there.
Coconut dump grater. Melissa, we have here go all kind of compromised.
Because they turn on hand and make fashion.
If it gets the gas from on, you could have used the blender. Nice big fish. Slice him up. Coconut of bass.
Yeah, man. First one cooked meal in a yard. Rice and peas can't eat without meat. That tell you the rest.
Yeah, man, a good man. Same thing, man, tell you. Right, without meat, with you.
The food is so delicious from Facebook to home. I always watch the food, a heap of food I cook by Facebook, and now it is home. I can't wait. I see it is here now today. Very enjoy. Big up, Kerry. Like, subscribe, and follow. Okay.